Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Iza signing in. Today we have an exciting topic for you, that is headings, paragraphs and special tags in HTML. So I think you have watched the previous video where I taught about basic tags in HTML, like what is head tag, what is HTML tag, what is body tag, what is doc type HTML, what are the contents present in the body tag, and everything I taught you in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I suggest you to watch that video first, then come to this video, because if you watch that video it will be easy. So let's dive into the topic. Let's first go to this headings part. In HTML, there are 6 types of headings ranging from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The level of size will be decreased from H1 to H6. Where the H1 has the highest priority with the highest size, that is mostly used with the H1 used for titles, and coming to the H2 is mostly used for subtitles, like the size will be reduced. Now let's go to the next tag, that is paragraph tag. In HTML, there is a special tag to define the paragraph. So that is p tag. P tag is used to define the paragraph and helps the browser to display the paragraph in a sequence order, where the browser knows this is the paragraph, this is not the paragraph. Everything is known to the browser with this only tag. So next go to some special tags in HTML. There are more special tags in HTML, but I have only defined some of them only. The first one, em tag. Em tag is used for emphasize the text. And I tag is for italic text. The text will be converted to italic if we define the text in between I tag. Next is horizontal tag. Horizontal tag is used to define a horizontal line. Then HR used to define a horizontal line, and BR used to define a line break where some space will be given between two lines. Next is subscript and superscript tag. You know about the subscript means the text will be little bit down and superscript means text will be up. And coming to the next tag, there is mark tag. Mark tag is used to highlight the text, where we have to highlight the some of the text, like if we have any font that is important, we need to highlight that. For that place we use mark tag. Next is block quote and quote tag. Black quote tag is used to if there is something saying, then we need to put the text in the black quotes, right? So in that place black quote tag is used. And quote tag is used to display the small snippet of our code. If you write the code in Python, C, C++, then if we want to display the code as it is in our web page, then we use quote tag. So let's get into the execution, guys. So guys, let's dive into the execution part, right? I am using Visual Studio Code compiler. If you don't know how to set up this Visual Code compiler, just comment below, because I think everyone knows the setup, so I am not doing any video on this setup. So if you need it, just comment below. I will going to upload that video in shortly, right? So let's define our web page. Let's go with doc type HTML. There should be opening and closing tag. You don't forget, guys. There will be a head tag. In the head tag there will be a title, right? Let's see, title of the web page is headings, paragraph, special tags. So let's write the head tag is completed. Let's dive into the body tag. Body tag is the tag where we're going to write everything in this section only. So let's get some space. So let's go to the first part, that is headings. Let's define headings. H1, the highest heading or the highest priority heading. Hello, I am H1. Sorry. Hello, I am H1. Let's save this. So yeah, you can see that the H1 tag is live on the server. So this is about the H1 tag. Let's see the H2 tag. You need to understand the difference between H1 and H2, right? So same text I will going to write, but I will going to write H2, so you can understand that this is H2 and H1 tag. You can see that the size is little bit reduced. That's why H1 tag is mostly used for titles of a web page, where it will be easily identified by the browser, that is the title of a web page. So the next H2 tag is the size of the H2 is slightly reduced. Let's write other tags also. So I have written all the headings from H1 to H6. Let's see how the browser will display it. Yeah, you can see that the size of H1 is slightly high and the size of H2 is slightly low and H3 is slightly low. H4, H5 and H6 is very low. So you can understand that the size will be ranges like this. Okay. Let's dive into the next part, that is paragraph tag. To define a paragraph, we use p tag opening and closing. In between, we use paragraph. So I have copied some text from the browser. So if I type, it will be like the lengthy video. So I just copied it from the browser. So let's see how it will display. You can see that there is no line space, line break, or new line, anything. There will be displayed only like, if you minimize the screen, you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. So there is no space, right? So next, dive into the next tag, that is special tags in HTML. The first tag is em tag. Let's see what is em tag, right? Let's define paragraph em tag. I'm going to copy some of the text from here. Let's save it. So you can see that the text is italic. The text is converted to italic. So but why we need em tag and I tag? Because both are same. So let's because the browser knows that the browser give some importance to some tag. That's why. Let's see the difference. You can see that there is same only, but the browser knows what is em tag and what is I tag, and the preference will be given like that. So we need to use that's why there is two special tag. So let's write another tag, that is horizontal line tag. Let's write here horizontal tag did not have closing tag, so there will be only opening tag. Let's save it. You can see that there is a horizontal line between the two tags that is separated also. So this is horizontal line. So but what is break tag? Let's copy some of the text from here. Command B. You can see that the text is not separated. Alright, so let's separate the text. Let's write br tag here. Now you can see the text is came in the new line, right? So this is nothing but the br tag, where there will be a line break also. The new text will be going to come in the next line. So next tag is superscript and subscript tag. Let's write both. These tags mostly used for in mathematics only. Let's see how it will be. First let's write 2 power 6 and let's give a break. Let's log 10. Let's save it, and if you can see, yeah, it's 2 power 6. The 6 will be superscripted to 2 and log 10 to the base 2. The 2 is like a subscripted, right? So mostly for this purpose only these two tags are used. Let's go to the like a mark tag. Let's copy some of the text. Let's give a break so it will be easily understandable. So let's write mark tag. Let me highlight this text. Let's save. Sorry. Yeah, you can see that the text is highlighted, right? This is the mark tag. So next the black code tag. Mostly black code tag is used to highlight the text. Let's give line break. The text is how the other way line space, tab space in the both ends, right? On the both in the four ends, like all there will be tab space in the left, right, top and bottom. This mostly used to black code the text. So next there is code tag,
let's what is the code tag, right? Everyone is confusing about the code tag. Why we need code tag? Let's write some of the code. And may write int a b and c equals to a. Let's see how it will be displayed, right? You can see that the code is displayed as it is. It means the browser will know that this is some of the code of some of the problems. So if we mention this code in our web page, so the viewers can understand that this is the code, so they will going to copy or something and they will going to paste in their HTML easily. So this is the use of code tag. So this is all about this discussion, guys. Let's move into the next slide.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends or where everyone can learn coding easily. If you have any queries or questions, you can comment below. I'm going to reply as soon as possible. And if you have any topic which we want to cover in the future, you don't forget to mention the topic in the comment. So this is all about. This is just signing off.